Picture video.
Ay.
Sinulak na sila.
Hindi mo nakikita ngayon.
Ayun na. May nakabulok.
Di ba may ganito pa?
Solo-solo. One, two, three.
A reading from the book of Tobit. On the evening of their marriage, this was how he began. You are blessed, O God of our fathers. Blessed too is
July 13, 2024. Every 13th of the month, you will celebrate your monthsary and anniversary. Hindi ganun. Kaya naparapan nyo mamaya, from this day forward, tandaan nyo itong petsang ito. Hindi nilang tunga July 13.